Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we talked yesterday, first of the month of July, about how Windows 11 is not growing anymore. It seems to be stuck at around 70%, where Windows 10 seems to be stuck at around 27, 28%. And so it is estimated that about 400 million PCs are still running Windows 10 right now. By the way, for those that say that they wish they would have gone into the extended security update program for Windows 10, you still can. As long as you log yourself into a Microsoft account, you will see that in Windows Update, it still pops up the information that you can get extended updates. So if you think that it's too late, or if you say, I missed the boat, or no, you did not, you still can. Now, that said, it complicates the future for Windows 11 because that 1 year extra means that Windows 11 might be stuck at where it is right now. Now, it's still a good number when you calculate that Microsoft did say that it's more than 1 billion PCs on Windows 11, but still, it's interesting to see that now we have the diehard Windows 10 users that just refuse to move on. And, to be fair, if you got a PC that either isn't compatible, or even if it's compatible, if you're happy with Windows 10 and don't want, moving to a new operating system is always a big change. So, and you never know what could happen. A little poll. The poll isn't, exhaustive. It's something like 400 people that voted, but still, I think it can be safely represented in a way. So there's a poll that was done, which is, will you stick with Windows 10 until 2027 or upgrade to Windows 11? And the poll with about 400 entries kind of came up like this. Sticking to Windows 10, 68%. I already jumped to Windows 11, 19%. Hardware cost will determine everything, 9%. And other could mean all sorts of things. It could mean some people wanting to go to a Linux distro or just moving on to something else. Yesterday we were talking, there was somebody with a comment about how Mac OS isn't gaining that much traction when you think about Windows 10, going to end of support at some point. And Linux isn't getting much traction either. People on Linux are in a little world that they think they're getting, everybody on Windows coming here. No, no one's going to Linux. Nobody knows what it is except enthusiasts. And the thing is, we have the other options that we can't forget. A lot of people are getting out of a PC and going to an iPad or a tablet, or, their smartphone is good enough for what they need to do. We got to remember that. So that also will be in other. So I think the uphill battle for Windows 11 is going to be a tough one, considering that now we have another year up to 2027. And we might just see two operating systems side by side staying pretty much stagnant at their market share. Windows 11 at around 70 and Windows 10 at around 27, 28%. So this is interesting that Microsoft did cave in and give another year. But I think it also comes with the fact that maybe the backlash of, 400 million PCs could be left behind as e-waste. Maybe it could have played a role also in there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.